Start learning. First week started. Second week motivation gone. Sound familiar? This happened to almost every developer. The goal feels too big. Build a full app, learn Flutter, get freelance clients all at once. So the brain shuts down, feels overwhelmed, stops showing up. The fix was not a bigger goal. The fix was smaller wins. Ship one screen today, fix one bug today, push one comment to GitHub today, share your content on social media version. That small win keeps the momentum going. What kills your motivation the most? Too many goals or not visible progress? Comment wins right now, be honest. Here's the exact system used to stay consistent I'm using. Step 1. Every day pick one small task. Only not 10, just one. One Figma screen, one Firebase function, one bug fix, one feature add. Step 2. Track it in Notion or document, Google Doc or PDF. Write it down when done. That checkmark is powerful. Step 3. Push it to GitHub daily. Even small changes. Seeing that green activity graph is real motivation. Small wins stack up first in mobile app development. This is how you stay consistent in 2026. Comment small win below. 20 comments and the full video is coming. Full motivation and consistency ecosystem built for developer and freelancer in 2026. Real tools, real steps. Save this now. Share it with one friend who started learning tech but quietly gave up.